Using your mobile phone as a router is a great way to share your mobile data connection with other devices like laptops, tablets, and other mobile phones. This can come in handy when you're on the go and need internet access for your other devices. Today we will show you how to use your smartphone as a router. Step 1. Check if your smartphone supports mobile hotspot or tethering. Most smartphones these days have this feature, but it's always a good idea to check with your mobile carrier to make sure it's available on your plan. Step 1. To do this, go to your phone settings and look for the portable hotspot or tethering option. It will look something like this as shown in the screen. Step 2. Turn on portable hotspot or tethering as shown in the above highlighted section. Click on Set up portable or mobile hotspot option to configure hotspot settings. You will see a section similar to this screen. Enter a network name, also called as SSID. This network name or SSID will be displayed on other devices while you will search for the hotspot to connect. Also provide the password that needs to be entered while connecting to this hotspot from other devices. Click OK and the hotspot is ready to use. Step 3. Turn on mobile data on your smartphone. Keep in mind all the devices that will connect to this hotspot will be using your mobile data indirectly. On your other device, go to the Wi-Fi settings and look for your phone's network name, SSID. Select the network or hotspot name that you want to connect your other device to your mobile hotspot. Select it and enter the password you set in previous step. Step 4. Start using your other device. Once connected, you can start using your other device just like you would if it were connected to Wi-Fi at home or in a coffee shop. Step 5. Monitor your data usage. Keep in mind that using your mobile phone as a router can eat up a lot of data, so make sure you monitor your usage to avoid going over your monthly data limit. That's it. Using your mobile phone as a router is a great way to stay connected on the go and share your internet connection with other devices. Just remember to keep an eye on your data usage to avoid any surprise charges. Depending on the smartphone you are using, above-mentioned process might be slightly different, but the overall process will be same. Let us know in the comments if you encounter any issues while creating the hotspot using your smartphone. Thanks for watching. Please subscribe and hit the bell icon to get notified whenever we post new contents.